on in the Atlantic just east of Bermuda, just south and east of Bermuda. Fortunately, this will take a straight northward turn, meaning no impacts whatsoever to the United States, and north turn and then an east turn, so not even close to the East Coast, fortunately. What about rain here? We've seen about anywhere from nothing for some of us to a lot, about half an inch officially here in Knoxville, over 2 inches in Athens, but even where it's not being officially reported at the airports, we've seen about 3 to 4 inches closer towards western Knox County and northern Blount County. And I'm a little bit concerned of these training storms just going over and over the same spots, especially south and west of Knoxville, and then just north of Maryville, right along the Knox-Blount County line. These will continue to move east and a little bit south. So the best chances tonight is going to be south and along of I-40. These are aerial flood advisories for the Farragut area, west Knox County, and then all of Blount County just about. So Blount County and then eventually Sevier County. Just be mindful that we will have some pretty heavy downpours over the next few hours. This is looking at tonight. Really, they start to fizzle out a little bit as we head closer to the 3-4 o'clock hour, but you notice we still have some isolated to spotty showers and storms that will aggravate any flooding concerns, especially in the Farragut and western Knox County areas, as we saw a lot of rain yesterday and today. 72 right now in Knoxville, Maryville, 73 in Gatlinburg, and Loudon 70 in Crossville and Oneida. So we're practically at our lows already. We'll stay around that 70-degree mark. Sticky to tropical conditions will continue just about one more day, and then we dry out. Lows tonight, again, upper 60s to near 70 degrees, 68 in Danridge, 67 in Maynardville. Those morning plans, the earlier the wetter, the later the drier. Will stay around 70, slowly climb a couple degrees per hour, and then by the lunchtime hour, most of us are dry and warming up, about 84, 85 for your high tomorrow, even some upper 80s, 87 in Spring City, low 80s closer towards the Kentucky border, 81 there in Jamestown, and 84 in Barberville. Again, earlier plans will have kind of a broken line of showers and storms that will rush to the south and east. Rain lingers around a little bit longer east of 75 along the foothills of the Smokies. West, expect it to dry out a little bit quicker by about mid-morning. Generally for the valley by about midday. Look at these lows tomorrow night, waking up for your Sunday, mid-50s across the plateau to southeast Kentucky, low 60s for the valley to the foothills, but a cool day. We don't warm up too much, struggling to hit about 80 degrees in Knoxville, Loudon, Kingston, some mid-70s from Oneida, Jamestown, and Crossville at 75 there. This is looking at the moisture in the atmosphere as a whole. We've had a lot of moisture. Notice the cold front finally blows through, the long-awaited cold front. These blue colors, while it will get cooler, this isn't showing the coolness. This is showing the atmospheric moisture. It goes way down, which means our rain chances as a result also go way down. Monday through Thursday, I don't expect any rain, and really through the rest of the week, it becomes very isolated, dry to comfortable conditions. So our first real taste of fall is on the way. Look at these low temperatures, average lows for this time of year, late August, 67. This will feel more like late September, waking up at about 55 degrees for your Thursday morning. So a little bit chilly. It might be time to start pulling out those jackets. Look at that, our average high, 88. We won't be anywhere near that for the next 7 days, Naomi.
Thank you, Theo. And coming up,